Hey everyone, welcome back. Using Face ID or Fingerprint makes login faster and more secure in the RBC app. Here's how to do so. First, go ahead and log into the RBC mobile app using your password first. Then, go to the app settings. After that, open the security or sign in options. Enable Face ID on phone or Fingerprint login on Android and confirm you're using password. Make sure Face ID or Fingerprint is already set up in your phone system settings. Go to settings and then search for Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and make sure you have enabled the Face ID and password option. Then log out and test biometric login to confirm if it works or not. Biometric login saves time and adds extra protection to your account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.